Okay, I've got another box of Topps Chrome, but it's Star Wars, and I'm a huge Star Wars nerd. Not a lot of people know that. I guess publicly, not a lot of people know that, but my close friends know that I'm a freaking Star Wars nerd. Um, so yeah, no, this dropped today, and I was excited to see it. I actually have no idea what the configuration's like. You get one auto per box. Not sure about the look of the cards. Actually, I have, normally I would check up and do a little bit of research on what I'm buying, but I saw this at the LCS and I was like, you know what, I might as well. I'll go ahead and take it. Let's just jump right into it. So I have no idea how this is gonna end up doing. Oh God, Anakin, Hayden Christensen. All right, we'll go pack by pack. Just let me savor this. I'm not sure what I'll be hitting or what I'll be saying, so. Padme. Base card? Base card, okay. Oh, that's sick. Okay. What is this? Regrets. IG88. Nice. Okay, so this is a refractor. Yep, okay. Darth Vader refractor. I don't know. Is that what you're gonna... Maybe that's what you want? Let's see. So there's one auto per box. Hopefully I get a big name. Oh, that's sick. Okay, who... Huh, okay, that's Palpatine. Jawa. Another refractor of... So it's supposed to be like a poster. Huh. Okay, so it looks like most of these are just original sketches. Ooh, I like that. Oh, nice. I wonder if this is a thing. So this is a this is an original movie poster. Artwork for an original movie poster in a different country. I have no idea. I have no idea what that language is. Let's see here. Italy. Global poster cards. Gotcha. Okay. ATST action. Refractor. Some more Padme. Some Hayden Christensen. Okay. That's it. Ooh. Ooh, it's an auto. Lara Urso. Oh, man. I mean, this is... Oh, okay, that's cool, I guess. So Rogue One is my favorite movie out of the newer releases. I can't stand the sequel trilogy. But Rogue One was good. A good mix of nostalgia and like new tech and new characters. I like that. And they didn't try too hard. But yeah, I think you could probably get better autos than her. Okay. That's fine. Oh, here you go. Here, Womp Rats. Nice. That's on the sail barge. Dashing Daring Do. Okay. Well, I got my auto, so I don't know what else we're looking for. Maybe there's some one-of-one print cards or something. Oh, there's C-3PO. It's another poster card. Mandalorian Visions card. Huh. Okay. It's Leia, Refractor. So it looks like you get a refractor in every pack. Qui-Gon, Liam Neeson. Okay. What is this? Millennium Falcon scale model. Okay. That's cool. Collect all vintage Star Wars cards. Alright. Well, that's sick. I like that. That's cool. What I liked about the Mandalorian when they featured these Gamorrean guards, these pig guards, is that they show the Vibro-Axe in action, which is pretty cool. There's Darth, R2-D2. Some Ewok action. Logres Hunt. Okay. Darth Maul. Man, I really like the look of these cards. I don't normally buy product like this. It's typically just sports, but these sketch cards are cool. Oh, here's another movie. Global poster cards. Poland. Jabba. OG Gangster. Seeing People. Ooh, what is this? That's sick. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so. Oh, out of 99. Very cool. Don't know the name of that, but I'll look it up. Fastest ship in the galaxy. Huh, that's awesome. Damn, these cards are really cool. Boba Fett, Ahsoka, Grievous. New squad. Alright. Leia. Oh, this was upside down. What's up with this? Boba's Prize out of 75. That's sick. Okay, there's Han and Carbonite. Huh. Oh, you know what I've been missing? I've been forgetting the sleeve. It's okay. These aren't going anywhere. It's Boba. Oh, it's orange. That looks like a Battle scene, that's Hoth. Okay, that's gonna be okay, that's gonna be cool. We'll pick that up in a second. Ooh, so that's Grievous fighting some guards. What is this? Out of 150. Oh, this is during the... This is when they capture, Wait, what is this one? Yeah, no, this is when they capture, what's his name? They capture Palpatine. When, That's cool. Alright. Let's save that card for last. That's an orange, and if it's Topps color configuration, it's numbered to 25. Wow. There you go. Slice Noodles, Max Rebo Band. Slave 1. That's sick. Huh. I love you. I know. Alright, let's see here. Another Mandalorian card. Okay. Refractor of Luke. Leia. Alright, 2 backs left. Okay, there's Darth. Jump. Wicket. Alright. Last pack. Oh, I like these propaganda poster sketch things. Those are always cool. Rest in peace, Mace. Even though he's not confirmed dead, so we have no idea. He can come back in one of these Disney TV shows, but we'll see. I mean, because you know, the Jedi, they lose limbs all the time. They survive from, you know, great height. They can survive falling from great heights. And he's, you know, with him being one of the most powerful Jedi Masters in the galaxy, he figured something like this when it, you know, he's alive. He's alive. We just don't know it yet, but he's alive. Okay. On to this orange. Look at that. I'm going to recap the hits in a second. Let's see here. You know what? Let's just open this. Oh, that's cool. So, a poster card, orange, out of, yep, 25. Spain. I have no idea what the value is on this. I mean, it's a unique insert, low numbered. Maybe a Spanish Star Wars fan would pay a premium for this. I have no idea. That's still pretty cool. But yeah, I knew it was a Hoth battle scene. That's cool, man. This was a nice box. I mean, I have no idea what the value is on this stuff, but as a collector, as a Star Wars fan, then, I mean, don't really care. This stuff I'll probably keep. I mean, a lot of the stuff that I buy, I list right away, turn it over, get new thing, you know. But I might have to keep all these for myself. Yeah, that one's sick. Oop. Oh, I missed one. I knew that chopper was okay, let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 base refractors, right? Let me make sure. Oh. And I have no idea what the color configuration is, so this is obviously the most, this is the most obvious, but these ones I have no idea. This is a prism maybe? I'll look it up. This looks like it's a magenta, red, I don't know, but 4 numbered, 20 out of 25, 99, 75, and 150. Not bad. And then the auto is not numbered, but yeah, there you go. You're gonna have, I would say this would be like a lower end auto. Overall, this is a pretty cool box. This was $105. So fairly cheap considering what what box prices are nowadays. But yeah, no, that was cool. I might get another one tomorrow. But thanks for watching. Hopefully I didn't do hopefully I didn't do too bad. But yeah, I'll post some more of these. Once I get more members, then we'll start posting breaks here. Okay. Thanks for watching.